Let me now turn to Meghna Dev in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Meghna, what more can you tell us about the polling in Gujarat? Fill us in on all that happened in Ahmedabad and elsewhere in the state.
Well, it's a little bit of a disappointment in these the Lok Sabha election, this general election, because not many people did turn up to vote. Gujarat, for that matter, till evening 5 p.m. has recorded around 55.22% voter turnout, which is really less compared to the last voter turnout of 2019, which was somewhere around 64%. So we did almost see a 8 to 9% dip in that. But while tomorrow, when all the figures are going to come with these are the approximate figures till 5 p.m. We will get new figures tomorrow morning, which will probably have a slight increase on this. But still, we did see that, as usual, urban voters were very hesitant of coming out of their houses and casting their vote. Because obviously, because of the summer and because of the weather, it might have it might have restricted them to come out of their homes and cast their vote. But having said that, we definitely did see in rural areas, semi-urban areas, south of Gujarat, north of Gujarat, which is the belt for farming and dairy sector. We did see good voter turnout, especially in Valsad, which has always been, quite a few times it has been on the top in terms of voter turnout. Valsad did record a good voter turnout. Banaskantha did record a good voter turnout in the north of Gujarat. But urban voters again left us disappointed when they did not come out of their houses. But I will definitely echo what Tapas said about the elderly voters. We did see in the very early hours of in the first half, we did see a number of senior citizens come out to exercise their franchise. We did see them very excited. They were, a few of them did also narrate the earlier experiences they have had in the 70s, in the 80s, and how did they go and cast their vote. How they were also explaining to us how things have changed till now. And they were, in fact, they looked quite more excited than the youngsters this time around, what we saw here in Ahmedabad especially. While there were a couple of villages in Banaskantha, as well as in Bharuch, we did completely boycott the elections. Nobody in that village went out to vote. So this has been informed by the Chief Electoral Office here in Gujarat. Besides that, there also, the temperature was somewhere around 41, 40, 42 degrees Celsius. And the polling officials did manage to, conduct the elections successfully here. Also, things had been put in place in terms of, all the sweep activities. And after that, how the polling stations were managed properly with water facilities, parking, waiting areas, and much more. So definitely, the Election Commission did put in a lot of effort, but the voter turnout definitely leaves us a little disappointed.